Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I just looked behind me and I heard a noise, and Bibi is sitting on my pillow. She's on her throne. So I have a diamond painting unboxing today. And let's see what we got. Came in a box. So far I have one clue from the label. It says it's a 40 by 50. It's exciting. Here we go. Oh, it's a Huacan. And this is the special sunflower kit that we're doing in the group. I said, wouldn't it be funny if a bunch of us got the same diamond painting and we all did it at the same time? Now, some people ordered it right away. Some people ordered it yesterday. Some people are fast. Some people are slow. So it'll be interesting. I said, let's just all keep posting our pictures of what we got and how we're doing. And you know, everyone diamond paints differently. Some people are going to start in the top, some people are going to start in the bottom. Some people didn't get Huacan. They got the same image but a different company, which is neat. I mean, in the what am I trying to say? In the name of science, we're investigating how things happen. And okay, let's start with a kit. We got their pretty clear sparkly pen with the blue grip. It's got single tip, and then it's got a 3 tip, and then they sent a separate 6 tip. And they're fancy Huacan tweezers that are very sharp. Please be careful. And a white boat with a funnel and a big chunk of pink wax. All of the beads are here, and this is full drill square. Huacan beads come in their own little baggies. So sometimes I will put that into a separate kit, but I'll probably just use a shoebox and leave them in the baggies. This canvas is perfect. Rolled around a styrofoam tube. Let me peel up the paper and get it so you can see it. Let me put up the image first so you can see how it's supposed to look. This is funny, and it's not too late. If you want to come join the group and do this with us, go right ahead. There's no time limit. Me, I am a slow diamond painter. So I'm going to try and finish up the one little one that I'm working on. Look at that tiny little strip of paper they put on there. That's okay. They covered up the sticky. You can still come. It's in the group Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, and you'll see the image at the top of the group, and there's a link. And I got this, a bunch of us got a 50 by 60 size. There, let me just peel all this back. Maybe if it's, you know, you still have to wait for it to come all the way from China, but you could get a smaller size. You can do what you want. We're just doing things together, having fun. Some people say, oh, I can't afford it. That's okay. It's okay. You can still enjoy what we're doing. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm really going to have fun doing this. I think I'm going to get started on it as soon as I can. I'm sorry, BB is barking. There's somebody outside. Oh. I'll try and get this straight. Now it's gonna be hard because these strips are small. But I like all the strips. I like that they cut this so much for us. One of these is not very good though. I'm gonna have to get some washi tape on it right away. Come on. Oh, so annoying. Here we go. I shouldn't let things annoy me. That's not good. Not good for my blood pressure. There we go. Oh, that worked out pretty well. Let me peel up this side just a little bit. So again, it's 50 by 60, full drill square. Someone said, oh, I don't like squares. That's okay. Go find it somewhere else and around. It's fine. To me, that just means people want to take part and feel like maybe they can't. But, you know, we try to make things for everybody to join in. And if you can't, you can't. That's all. It's okay. You can have fun watching. Okay, we got 36 colors on here. Again, it's a Huacon, so I mean, hopefully we'll find out for people who are having trouble with the drills popping up. We'll find out if they fixed that problem or not. Because if they haven't, they're going to have a whole group of people who are going to be complaining and asking for their money back. I'm confident. I don't worry about those things. Okay. All done. I am going to get started on this as soon as I finish my little kitten, teacup kitten that I'm working on. And I may start it before I finish that. Then I'll have 3 going. So here it is. I'm going to post this up today because I just got it and I want everybody to know I got it and see how it looks so they can get excited. And if you wanted to join us and you haven't bought yours yet, well, hop to it. Maybe we could even find it on Amazon. I'm not a fan of theirs, but, you know, that way you could get it in a couple days. I know a lot of people are still waiting for theirs. We're not putting any rules or regulations on this. It's not a contest. It's not anything but just the fun of everybody doing the same picture. So, that's it. You have a great day. Happy diamond painting. If you like my videos, just take a minute and hit like and subscribe. And if you hit the little bell, you'll get notified about my future videos as they come out. And I hope you have a wonderful day and happy diamond painting. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.